In today's video, we'll show you how to use Blackmagic cinema cameras and Samsung portable SSDs like the T7 Shield or T9 for an ideal video production workflow. We're going to look at the features and benefits of the camera and drive, show you how to connect them, and tips to get the best results. So why use high-capacity SSDs? You can use CFast 2.0, SD, CF Express, or high-capacity external SSDs. However, there are several advantages to using a high-capacity SSD. First of all, SSDs like the Samsung T7 Shield offer fast read and write speeds. The T7 Shield can reach up to 1,050 megabytes per second read and write speeds. Second, many SSDs are built to be portable. They have a shock-resistant metal case that can withstand drops of up to 9 feet, and they can withstand temperatures ranging from 14 degrees to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The T7 Shield and T9 manage heat so well that overheating that causes frame loss is not a concern. For example, the Samsung T7 Shield and T9 connect with just a USB-C cable. If you're using the Blackmagic Design Ursa Mini Pro 12K, you'll want to take advantage of its amazing features, like its Super 35 12K sensor and 12-bit raw video recording. When using either the T7 Shield or T9, you can capture up to 12K B-RAW at 8:1 at up to 50 frames per second. You can record for hours without running out of space, as the T7 Shield and T9 comes in capacities of 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, or 4 terabytes. If you're using the Blackmagic Cinema Camera 6K with its full-frame 6K sensor and 12-bit RAW capture, using the T7 Shield or T9 captures up to 6K B-RAW at 5:1 at up to 48 frames per second. This gives you incredible detail and dynamic range in your footage. You can also record for hours without running out of space. But for when you need to, let's go over it. First, go to the menu, select the Media tab, and choose Format Disk. Choose exFAT, as this is compatible with both Windows and Mac computer. That's it, you're ready to start shooting with Blackmagic cinema cameras and the Samsung T7 Shield or T9.